Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. Today's video, guys, is going to be all about decor. I have 4 or 5 different pillows. I've got throws. I've got artificial plants. I've got some knickknacks. I've got lampshades. So guys, if you're interested in seeing what colors they are, what size of pillows, what textures, keep on watching. So guys, I want to thank you for stopping by. So I want to start off, guys, with pillows first. This one I picked up at HomeSense. It is a 20 by 20. It does have a zipper on it where you can take the pillow out. It does have this fuzzy pink movable fabric, and it is on both sides of the pillow. These ones were $34.99 per pillow, and I picked up 2 of those. Here is the light pink 20 by 20 in this faux fur type of fabric. I would not put these together like this. I would use the pillows at the top of the bed and the pink throw at the bottom of the bed. This next one, guys, I picked up at Ikea, and I'll give you a close-up there. This one is just the pillow cover. I keep all of my inserts, and I just purchased the covers to change them up. This is a 20 by 20 as well. Does have the zipper on the bottom, and it does have the same pattern throughout the sides, top and bottom. This pillowcase was $4.99. I'm not sure if they have any left, but I did get a few more. I think I've got 4 so far of this one. Great to change them up during the season. And it is in like a durable, not really cotton, but you can see the pattern there, guys. And like I said, I got a few of these ones. And it was just the cover for $4.99. And the insert, can't remember what the price was on it. The next one I also picked up from Ikea, and it is this gorgeous white pillow. I love the detail on it. I love the fabric. This one also is got, I believe, the zipper on the bottom, so you can change out the insert. This one did come with the insert. These ones are $34, I think $34, $34.99. And it has pattern on the front, plain on the back. I picked up about 6 of these. Love those. These are 20 by 20. And there's what the white pillow looks like when it is on a dining room chair. They're great for the sofa, family room. So the next one, guys, I picked up was this one. I love the texture on it. I love the shine. Does have the same pattern throughout the whole pillow, front, back, sides. It does have the zipper as well, so you can take out the insert to wash it or change it. If you don't want duck filled, you could do it to the polyester. This one again is a 20 by 20, $34.99. I believe this one was too. With this pink throw, it accommodates any colored pillow. This is one from HomeSense. Love the pattern, love the detail. This one, guys, I picked up the fabric from Ikea. I just love the color and I love the pattern on it. It does have an open back for taking out the insert. The insert I did pick up at Ikea as well. I made it to go with my blue and white decor this year. Just love the light green. And I picked up 3 meters of this to make a couple pillows. So those are the pillows, guys. Let's start with the silk plant. You've seen in my video before, I did do another one where it had the blue and white container on the bottom. This one is just plastic. I picked this one up, guys, at Ikea. There's the information there if you need it. This one was $19 for this one. I liked it because it was more realistic. I like the curvature on it, and I really like the large size. I also picked up this plant from Ikea. It is a faux palm tree, I guess, and really good quality. It was for $79.99. It's quite tall. It's over 5 feet. I just love it because it looks so realistic and it fills in the corner quite nicely. As you can tell, I'm redoing the whole room. We're going to put up wallpaper. I'm looking for a fireplace, but there is one of my fake finds as well. Next I picked up, guys, I know this is boring, but 2 lampshades. I bought them, you know, you can never go wrong with lampshades. These ones were from Walmart, $12.99. And you know, if you get fabric, you can cover these to match any of your decor in your home. You can glue it on, sew it on, add tassels, beads, whatever you want to dress it up. So 2 of those, guys. These were a really, really good find. These match the lamps I picked up, the ginger jars, and this is to go with my green, blue, and white theme. First one, guys, is the square one here. The lids do come off. These I picked up for $9.99 each. I love the stoppers to protect your furniture. Let's go ahead and take the lid off. There's the inside. And this is just a ceramic. There's the inside, guys. Here's the second one. I really like the design on this one. I like the cutout detail here on the ends. It does have the blue pattern all around like the other one. There's the top. Once again, it's made from the same material, which is just a ceramic. There is the inside, guys. So guys, the next things I want to share with you that I picked up on my Sunday Fabulous Finds are throw blankets. Never can you have enough of those. I picked them up when they are on sale. There's a lot of summer sales going on right now with HomeSense and Ikea. So the first one, guys, is this gorgeous emerald green faux fur throw. I just love this one, guys. Look at it. It is just gorgeous. It is so soft. The inside has this fake kind of suede material, and then the outside has this faux fur. So here it is, guys. The green one draped over a dining room chair. And I love, love, love the fringe on this one. I like the green. I like the yellow. It does have white on it as well. And I'll give you a full shot of that later. Just love it. This one is made from a wool blend. There's the pattern again, with the fringe all along the bottom. It is just gorgeous. Here is the 3-tone with the fringe, the gray, the yellow, and also the white, to get an idea of what each one will look like. This here is my favorite out of all of them, the very, very light pink with these amazing large tassels. Just love the fabric on this, and it's showing up a little light. My lighting in here is really, really bad, but I just wanted to give you guys a shot. Here is the other 3-toned throw. This one has like the crocheting with the tassels on the bottom. This does have the gray, the cream, and also the very light yellow. And you guys can style these in whichever way you feel you would like. I also picked up 3 of these pillows here, and they are in like a fake velour or fake velvet. They're in a really nice soft green color. These ones were just for the pillowcase, $4.99, and you had to purchase the insert as well for $4.99. They are from Ikea. So 3 of those, guys. So there you are, guys. I do apologize. I did lose a lot of footage. I'm not quite sure why, but I want to thank you for sticking to the end and watching the video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Follow me over on Instagram at Jandle Smith. Till next time, guys, remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Bye-bye.